Hello everybody, how was my previous video? Did you enjoy it? Did you learn how to multiply two single digit numbers? In this video, I am going to explain one easy multiplication trick. That is, we are going to do multiplication of numbers when both numbers are more than the same base. Let's go to one question. What is 12 multiplied by 13? You can do this one can you do this one within 1 minute? I will give you one clue also. The answer contains 3 digits. Did you get the answer? Okay. The first number is 1 in your answer. The second number is 5. The third number is 6. Did you get this answer? 156. Okay. If you didn't find also, no problem. I will explain how you can solve this type of question. For that, the first step, we want to take base as 10. That is 12 is 2 more than 10. The first thing we have to do is 12 is 2 more than 10. Then 13 is 3 more than 10. This is the first step. We have to find the excess number. Then step 2, here we know this is plus 2 plus 3 like that. So we want to cross add. Cross add, that is 12 plus 3 and 13 plus 2. We know 12 plus 3 and 13 plus 2 both give the same number 15. So this is the first part of our answer. For finding the the last part, that is second number, we have to multiply these two, 2 and 3. That is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now we are going to finalize our answer. 12 multiplied by 13 is, the first part is cross addition. The cross addition time you will get 15, and then multiply vertical multiplication, you will get 6 as the answer. Then we are going to finalize. 12 multiplied by 13 is 156. Next, go to another example. 15 multiplied by 12. What is our first step? The first step is take base as 10. We know 15 is 5 more than 10 and 12 is 2 more than 10. Now for finding the first part, you have to cross add. That is 15 and 2, adding 5. 15 plus 2 is 17. Also 12 plus 5 also 17. So the first part is 17. Then the second part, for finding the second part, you have to multiply 5 and 2. You will get 10. 17 and 10. We know 15 multiplied by 12 gives 3-digit number only, because 15 and 12 is lying between 10 and 20. It means if you take 10 multiplied by 10, you will get 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. Then 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. That also a 3-digit number. So the answer number will be 3-digit. For that, we want to do one more step here. That is, you have to keep the last digit as itself. After that, this number you have to take and carry over with this. Take as this one and add with this 7. So you will get 180 as the answer. That is the first part, the first number itself. Then 7 plus 1, 8. Then the last digit 0. I think everybody get clear idea. Let's go to one more question. Here also we are going to take base as 10. Can you solve 12 multiplied by 14 within 1 minute? You know this answer will be 3-digit number. We know 12 is 2 more than 10. 14 is 4 more than 10. For finding the first part, you have to cross add. That is 12 plus 4 and 14 plus 2 is 16. For finding the second part, you have to multiply 2 and 4, that is 8. So the final answer is 168. Try this. 17 multiplied by 16, 14 multiplied by 18. I will do this first one. 17 multiplied by 16. Without writing all the steps, we can do in a shorter way. You want to do like this, that is, take 17, the first number itself, take 17, then take the unit place of the second one, so 6. You have to add this 17 plus 6, that is 23. Okay, now goes to the unit place number, that is 7 and 6. If you multiply 7 and 6, you will get 42. We know we want a 3-digit number only, so you have to add 3 and 4. So the first digit is 2 in your answer, and the second digit is 3 and 4. Add 3 and 4, you will get 7 as the answer. Then the last digit also 2. So the answer is 272. Now this is your today's challenge. Do this and check your timing, okay? Whether you can solve this within 1 minute or within second. In the last video, I got a lot of comments. Thanks for these comments. Also, I hope again you will watch and support me. Again, I will come with new and fresh calculation trick. Thank you for watching.